Whistleblowing, a guide to understanding and using the phrase. Hello everyone, in today's video, we're going to delve into the phrase, whistle blow on. This phrase is not only interesting but also quite important in various contexts, especially in the corporate and legal world. By the end of this video, you'll understand what it means and how to use it correctly. So, let's get started. Whistle blow on is a phrase that means to report wrongdoing. It's often used when someone inside an organization reports illegal or unethical behavior. The person who reports these actions is known as a whistleblower. Whistleblowing can happen in any type of organization, including businesses, government agencies, or any group where misconduct can occur. The term, whistleblowing, comes from the idea of a referee blowing a whistle to stop a game due to a foul or an illegal play. Similarly, a whistleblower blows the whistle to call attention to a foul, in this case, misconduct within an organization. This act is often seen as brave and necessary for maintaining ethical standards. Let's look at some examples to better understand the concept. 1. Corporate whistleblowing. An employee at a company might whistle blow on financial fraud or safety violations. 2. Government whistleblowing. A government employee could blow the whistle on corruption or abuse of power within their department. 3. Healthcare whistleblowing. A nurse or doctor might report cases of malpractice or patient neglect in a hospital. Whistleblowing can have significant impacts. It can lead to legal action against the wrongdoers and policy changes within an organization. However, whistleblowers often face challenges like retaliation or being ostracized. Despite these risks, many view whistleblowing as essential for upholding integrity and accountability. Now, let's see how to use whistle blow on in sentences. She decided to whistle blow on the unethical practices she witnessed in her department. The scandal came to light after an employee blew the whistle on the company's financial misconduct. Whistleblowing is a powerful concept that plays a crucial role in maintaining transparency and ethics in various fields. Understanding and using the phrase, whistle blow on, correctly is important for English learners. I hope this video has helped clarify its meaning and usage. Thank you for watching, and remember, your voice matters, especially when it's used to uphold truth and justice.